Tendulkar, the god. Anyone who knows anything about cricket knows something about Sachin. But can you imagine Sachin never becoming a batsman? Can you imagine our Sachin as a full-time bowler, as a full-time fast bowler? I'm not making it up. It nearly happened. Till one man made sure it didn't. That man, Lily. Yes, that Lily. Wanna know what happened? Keep watching. 1987. The 4th Cricket World Cup was just around the corner. This time to be played in India. The whole country was abuzz with excitement, and a young 14-year-old batting prodigy named Sachin was on the brink of a very important decision in his life. He was about to start training as a fast bowler. So the question arises, why? Why exactly the sudden need to become a bowler? To understand, let's look at the ground situation. Cricket shot up in popularity in 1983 with India winning the World Cup. And one of the most crucial factors was the miracle-making all-rounder Kapil Dev. Being able to destroy bowlers at will while decimating batting lineups when needed. Kapil Dev's stature had just continued to rise with time. And by the time World Cup rolled in, the most coveted position in the team was an all-rounder. And thus, the young Sachin Tendulkar, who could bowl well when needed, joined the MRF Bowling Academy in Madras to train as a fast bowler. Do understand though, this wasn't just any academy. At the time, it boasted of being the most premier bowling academy in the country, headed by the electrifying Dennis Lillee. 3 years into his retirement, Dennis still carried the record for the most wickets taken and was held as one of the best bowlers to ever grace the game. And Sachin had the opportunity to learn bowling under such a legend. As an excited youngster was packing up, ready to leave, his elder brother made a small suggestion. It won't be a bad idea to carry your batting gear, because after having bowled for a while, you may be just standing there, doing nothing. You can bat then. And so it went. Attending the training camp, Sachin used to bowl his part, but then spend most of his time batting. About 3 days in, Lillee had noticed Sachin's batting. And though unimpressed by his bowling prowess, he advised the young prodigy, I think this young lad should go out and bat. Forget about bowling. And so, the fate of Indian cricket was sealed. A sentence which decided the future of Indian cricket. A sentence that we are all eternally thankful for. Sachin's desire to bowl didn't go away though.
You also bowl in your school matches now?
Yeah.
What type of bowling do you do?
Medium pace now.
And you want to continue in Ranji Trophy bowling or not?
Yeah, for some time I will be bowling.
But you will obviously concentrate on your
small
batting.
spell only I will be bowling.
You were talking about Raju Kulkarni's bowling.
Yeah.
That he's the fastest bowler in India that you've faced. At the CCI nets, I think Kapil also bowled you to give you some practice.
Kapil
How was that?
He was also very good.
And then his outswing and in-swing, you didn't have a problem with that?
No, I don't know.
He returned after a year, but when he took to bat this time, the first ball went for a 4. The second ball flicked for a 4. After hitting 48 runs in just 12 balls, Lillee actually had to go and ask the head coach, who is that youngster who is thrashing all my bowlers? Head coach Shekhar laughed and replied, you should know him. He is the boy whom you rejected when he wanted to become a fast bowler. And so it was decided. Sachin finally gave up his pursuit to become a fast bowler and became the little master blaster that we all knew him to be. The god of cricket, who thankfully didn't become a fast bowler.
Bowlers, the first ball went out of the park, the second ball went sort of straight back over the bowler's head. So I actually went and sat behind with my coach at the time, who was T.A. Shaker. And I said, come behind the nets. I said, this kid is unbelievable. And I sat and watched him for 5 minutes. I said, this kid, I don't know what his name is. And he said, Sachin. I said, oh, it sounds like searching. And this guy will not only search for runs if I'm a good judge, but he'll get plenty.